you doing? Welcome back with Cooking with Chef Poultry. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on your notifications so you could see more of these beautiful videos. Make sure you subscribe. This is actually how it looks like. It's in the oven. So I'm gonna use the same bowl that is cooking to make the presentation of the plate as well. Need my chicken.
Speak louder. Speak louder.
I'm going to clean my chicken right now. As you could see, take out the bone and everything. Take all the meat I could take possible. And I'm gonna dice my chicken. And I will turn on my fire as well, cooking both of them at the same time. As you could see, putting my chicken. Okay guys. Gotta let it cook. Also, alright, both of them already. Alright, so right now we're waiting on the butternut squash. So what I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna take it out and check how it is. Right here. Yes. I'm gonna flip it. So far, so right now, what I'll be doing, this is why they call it a spaghetti butternut squash. See the string? Take a spoon. Take a fork, take a fork, and this is what will come to be. Turkey. So as for the chicken, this is what I put in it. I put basically the same thing. The only thing is, since it's a buffalo chicken, start plating. Also make sure everything is full of meat. Don't be stingy with the meat. Okay guys, and now this is gonna be the ground beef. Also put a little tomato sauce on it. And the final step is put your cheese, sprinkle your cheese all over. Also, don't be stingy with the cheese as well. Okay. All right, so the next step, guys, it will be the buffalo chicken. Okay guys, that's the buffalo chicken. Very healthy and easy to make. The most it will take you to make this dish is 1 hour and 30 minutes. That's only if you don't have your mise en place ready. But if you have your mise en place ready, guys, this dish, it should take you 45 minutes to 1 hour max. Okay guys, so, some tomato. Also put some cheese, and the final all right, so we'll put it back in the oven. So bake 350. So we're gonna cook it so it could look nice. So it's gonna be okay. All right guys, so basically this will be the finished product. And c'est bon. La nourriture est prête.